Hi my beauties, welcome to today's tutorial on makeup. We have a new product called Brow Cake Mascara that I'm going to demonstrate today, and we are doing this video outside in our new location. We have a beautiful outdoor covered patio area, as you can see, and it's right next door to my shop. And we also have a windmill right behind us too, which I'll show you. So it's I thought it would be lovely to be out with the bird song. There is a bit of traffic, but I think the birds make up for the noise of the traffic. So my name is Jan Benham from Purèz Cosmetics, and I wanted to show you our cake mascara and why I decided to make it. So our brow mascara, we have a cake mascara, and it's been very successful. In fact, it's one of our best sellers. And we have been using, I've been using the eyebrow pencil, and I also use the eyebrow powder, and I still will use them. But we have exactly the same thing now in the brow cake mascara. And what is beautiful about this is that it makes, now the fashion is going back to natural eyebrows, it keeps more of the integrity of the eyebrows. So it makes the eyebrows look more real rather than painted on. So the brow cake mascara comes like this, and it's embossed on the top, so it feels really lovely. It's vintage style. In fact, the recipes are vintage, and they come in two colors, a taupe and a brunette. So you can see here from the taupe, it's this one is what I've been using, and this is the brunette. So the taupe is particularly useful for people who have grey hair or don't have much eyebrows, like I don't, and also, yeah, grey hair, blonde hair, light coloured hair. So you get a spoolie with your brow mascara brush, and how you use it, you don't put any water on or castor oil, but you can. But I find it's better if you just use the spoolie onto and just break the seal a little bit on the brow. I've got a little bit of hair here. Just a second. So you take a product onto the spoolie, and how you apply, you just brush upwards. So you don't try to get it onto the skin. You kind of get it onto the hair, just like you're applying mascara to the eyelashes. So I'm working the center part here first. I'm working my way out. So I'm going to do the other side. You can see the difference already? Incredible. And now I'm going to do the other side. Now you can build up from there. So now when I've got the main brow mascara on the lashes, I then get myself, this is an angled eyeliner eyebrow brush that we sell, and I use this, and I'm going to dip it into the brow mascara, take a little bit of product on there, and then I'm going to fill in the areas I want to fill in. You could also use the brow pencil, which is exactly the same color, the same pigment, if you wish to. But the trick is you want to make the brows look like they're natural. So little tiny strokes, and just to fill in any gaps. I'll do the other side. Now I'm intentionally keeping my makeup very soft here. I've got a soft eye makeup on, not heavy at all. So it's a very soft eyebrow look, and it's actually the in thing now anyways, and it's perfectly good for me. So I like to keep my eyebrows soft, light. I wouldn't want to thin my eyebrows out at all, but definitely to keep that. And if I wanted to build it up even more, or even just make it look more natural, I can just bring them up slightly just to make it look, so you can tell that they are natural eyebrows and not tattooed on, as was the fashion a couple of years ago. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'm just so enjoying this beautiful weather in the Netherlands. So take care everybody, stay beautiful, and it's bye for now.